Good morning students. Today we are going to see the topic of test for single mean. So in the previous class we have discussed about some basic definitions. So what do you mean by a population, what is a sample, etc. So now let us see a problem in test for single mean. So we know the formula for test for single mean, that is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root n. This is the formula where x bar denotes the sample mean and mu denotes the population mean. Sigma is the population standard deviation and n is the sample size. So now look at the problem. So a sample of 900 members. So 900 members is our sample size. So our sample size is denoted by n. So given n is equal to 900. Is found to have a mean of 3.5 centimeter. That is sample mean is given to be 3.5 centimeter. Sample mean is denoted by x bar. So x bar is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Can it reasonably regarded as a simple sample from a large population whose mean is 3.38 and a standard deviation of 2.4 centimeter. So the data given here denotes the population. So population mean and population standard deviation are given. Population mean is denoted by mu, that is mu is equal to 3.38 and population standard deviation is denoted by sigma. So sigma is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So here what are the steps involved in finding this hypothesis is nothing but first you have to formulate null and alternative hypothesis, and the second step you have to write the level of significance, and third one you have to write the formula and compute the test statistic, and at last you have to finally compute the decision. So now let us write null and alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis H naught. So always we are going to take H naught to be there is no significant difference between the sample mean and population mean. So let me write this, there is no significant difference between sample mean and population mean. So that is you have to take H naught to be mu is equal to whatever given the problem you have to write. So here our mu is 3.38. So mu equal to 3.38 is our H naught. Similarly, you have to write the alternative hypothesis for the above statement. So alternative hypothesis which is denoted by H1. So H1 is nothing but, so the sentence which is opposite to this, that is there is a significant difference. There is a significant difference between population mean and sample mean. So H1 is given by mu not equal to 3.38 because there is nothing given in the question. So just simply take mu not equal to 3.38. So this is a two-tailed test. Next you have to find the level of significance. So level of significance. So the level of significance percentage is not given in the question. So just take it as 5%. So alpha equal to 5% level of significance. Then Z alpha is given by, we know the value of Z alpha at 5% level of significance. Z alpha value is nothing but 1.96. So this is our tabulated value. Now we have to find the formula value, that is test statistic. So test statistic, just write down the formula there. So Z is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root n. Simply substitute the value of all these. So x bar value is given by 3.5 minus mu value is 3.38 divided by sigma value is 2.4 divided by root of n value is 900. So when you compute these values in the calculator, you get the values to be z is equal to 1.5. Now finally decision. You have to compare the formulated value with the calculated value. So here the value of z is less than z alpha. So when z is less than z alpha, h0 is accepted. So h0 is accepted means that there is no significant difference between the sample and population mean. So this is the solution for the problem. Hope you understand. Thank you.